What's up, everybody? This is ML Magdalera, aka TaglishTeacher. Today's video is going to be about creating an assignment in Canvas, wherein it will be an online submission for the students, annotating in Canvas. I know we're used to having students annotate using Cami, and I love Cami, don't get me wrong. However, I've always wanted to put everything in Canvas, and I think this would be a good opportunity for us to do that. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my account, I would really appreciate it. I've been trying to switch all of you guys, all 1.5 of you, to transfer to this new account that I have that I just started today. Let's get started. I'm currently on my homepage, and when I create any assignment, I actually start from my modules. Now, I know some of you are actually doing that using assignments, and that's totally okay. But for me, because I like to be organized, I'm going to go ahead and click modules. In my modules, you're going to see that everything is arranged by week. So let me just scroll down really quick so you can see that. So this is why I like to create everything in here so I know where to put them. So let's pretend we're going to go ahead and make an assignment for week 15. Click plus, click create assignment. Now I like to indent, and then we're going to title this types of vaccines. Now I'm going to create a video on different tips that I do for Canvas. For example, this one right here, 15.1 represents week 15 assignment number 1 for the week, but that's for another video. So click add an item, and then go ahead and click the assignment, and we're going to click edit. Okay. You can go ahead and type your information in here. And then scroll down, assign the points, assign whichever group it belongs to. And then the most important thing is on submission type, click online submission. Here, you will be clicking student annotation. Now, you have the option to either click course files and then find whatever it is that you already have in there, or if you've already created a different file folder, you can also click that, open it, and click the item. I can make a video on how to do this and organize your folder on the next one. But for today, we're going to go ahead and just click upload file. When this pops up, look for the PDF file that you will be using for the class. So let's click that, click open, and then it's right there. Okay, so go ahead and provide however many attempts you would like. I usually give the kids 2 attempts. At the bottom, you're just going to go ahead and follow the same steps you've been doing, assign it to everyone or specific people that you would like, provide a due date, and make sure that it is available on the right time. Click save. And there we go. If you are ready to assign the assignment, go ahead and click publish. I'm going to go back to my modules and make sure that it is located in the right spot. So let's go back here, and I would like the assignment to be open during our block day. There we go. Then make sure we publish that too, and hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for being here. Have a good one.